Wouldn't it be nice if your lawnmower started as easily as your vehicle, or you just turn the key to get the engine started? Briggs Stratton's electric starting system with ReadyStart offers this technology to help make starting your lawnmower a snap. With ReadyStart, an automatic choke senses the engine temperature and then delivers the right amount of air and fuel mixture to the carburetor. That means no priming, no choking, and, with the help of the battery, no pulling of the cord. Simply turn the key and mow. With ReadyStart Electric, you can also start your lawnmower by pulling the cord. Briggs & Stratton's electric starting system with ReadyStart, our simplest starting system for walk-behind lawnmowers. Just turn the key and mow. When we demonstrated this feature to homeowners, here's what they had to say about the electric starting system with ReadyStart.
So for this one, you pull the bail back and just turning the key to the right to get it to start.
Cool! This is my kind of lawnmower.
That is super easy to do that rather than
Super easy?
cranking, yeah.
This one is effortless, excellent, and I could see myself even wanting to mow the lawn.
Oh, I like that much better. It's easier for elderly people.
Great. Easiest one around.
If I could have one for Christmas, this would be the one I'd want.
Pretty slick. My wife could handle that.
Oh, I love it.
So it's just like my truck does.
That's probably a 9 right up there. That's the nicest one.
No problem.
Oh, much easier. I would definitely choose this one.
I'll take one of these.
My wife wants this one.
Your wife wants this one?
I would like to have the electric one, absolutely.
Give that one a 10.
Give that one a 10.
Yeah.
That one's good. That's my kind of lawnmower.
Start. How would you rate this one?
A 10.
A 10.
Pretty easy. No effort at all.
I gotta give this an 11. I gotta give
An 11. Perfect.